Okay, so I am definitely looking for a few more things to finish. Not even finish. Who am I kidding? To keep decorating my place. But anyway, I'm going to run into TJMaxx and see if I can find some items. And if I can, that's great because I just want to like be done with certain areas. So anyway, let's head into TJMaxx and see what we can find. Okay, so my goal today is to find something that I can place next to the fireplace and then also find something for the front entryway. So here we have this tiny little table, which is something that I am contemplating on. That way when you first walk in and open the door, you'll be able to see something here. Now I am looking at little tables. Here's a little corner table. I believe this is more so for the bathroom, but I think that would fit perfectly in the front entryway. And I made a mistake in not bringing the measurements with me, so I am hoping to be productive today with what I find. So as you can tell, this one is a little wobbly, but I do like this. I may actually get this for my bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the different styles that they have. Okay, so another idea I had was also having some type of mirror or hanging arrangement of some sort on the wall when you first walk in. So I do like this mirror, and I absolutely fell in love with these hanging baskets. I love them. I thought that would be perfect, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye out on that one. This one was on clearance for $36. It would be, now these little tables are $29, but I don't know that they'll fit behind the front door. So again, I forgot my measurements. Here they have a 3-tier little table, and it's on clearance for $49. They actually had a lot of items on sale and on clearance. Now I did bring this one down off this shelf just to get a closer look at it. Now my concern is the lightness of the wood. A lot of my wood at home is a little darker. Now I did want to look at some of their mirrors and artwork, and they have some beautiful pieces, but I don't know that I want something so big. That one makes me laugh. Now I thought this artwork was a little unique, not quite my style, but I thought it was unique. And then this mirror definitely caught my attention. Now the only thing is the hooks. Now I'm trying to move away from things hanging on the front door or behind the front door, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass on this one. The price was good, but just not for me. And what I'll do is bring it up close in case you all are interested in something like this. And I'll put it on top of this little table so you can get an idea as to how large it is. I did end up coming back to the 3 hanging baskets. I really like this design. I'm just hoping that it fits behind the door. Now I am going to go ahead and get the hanging baskets. And as you can see here, I just grabbed some of their artificial plants, and I think something like this would look absolutely beautiful. I don't know why I keep looking at this mirror when I know deep down inside I just don't want it. And it looked like a little knob was missing, so this is going to go ahead and go back on the shelf. Okay, so while I'm here, I am going to go ahead and head over to where they have the spring and summery decor items like the wreaths. Now I am going to say this, they do still have some Easter items. They had these with the Easter eggs on them, and now I'm definitely drawn to the greenery. Now I do like the pastel flowers on here, but when it comes to spring and then going into summer, I'm definitely drawn to the bold yellows, like this beautiful arrangement that would look gorgeous on your door. They also have arrangements where it's just the greenery, like this one just has a bow on it. You can definitely add to it if you would like. Like, I love these little balls. Something like this would look really pretty hanging from the patio. And if you could find several sizes, maybe 3 different sizes, I think that would be a beautiful arrangement for outside. So let me show you some of the arrangements that they have, and maybe it'll give you an idea whether you want to DIY or head over to your TJMaxx and pick up some of the items that I'm showing you. Now, calla lilies are definitely one of my all-time favorite flowers, so when I saw this arrangement, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and it's yellow, and it's on clearance for $12. Now, they do have some other pre-made arrangements in beautiful vases. This one looks like it's hand-painted, and it's only $12.99. So let me glance around and see which ones I like. The tulips are absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I am definitely drawn to the yellow. Let me know what color is your favorite when it comes to flowers, especially in the springtime. TJMaxx does have some beautiful vases, and a lot of these were on clearance. Look at this one, is only $13, and look at the vase. It almost looks like cut crystal. It is glass, but it does have a beautiful look to it. And here's something petite and beautiful, and it is only $4.99. And here are some other vases with roses in them. Now, I did happen to see this cookie jar. It's in the shape of a lemon, and it's actually part of the Martha Stewart collection. Now, TJMaxx does carry quite a bit of variety when it comes to Martha Stewart's collection. So you may have already seen some of the tags as I was showing you some of the products today. Here is another glass vase that almost looks like it's been hand painted. And this one's got daisies and little bees on them. Now, I do want to head over to the beauty and accessories department. I have been looking for a curling iron, specifically for the 3-barrel one that creates the little beach waves, and I found one. This is by Foxy Bay, and it is a triple waver, I believe it's called. I'm genuinely excited to try this one out. It's only $34.99, and I almost bought the exact same one on Amazon. So this is coming with me. Now, since I'm here, I'm going to look at the sunglasses. Hopefully I'll find a pair. I like to have them laying around because being from Arizona, that's like a staple. So anyway, let me know what you think and which ones you like best. Okay, so as promised, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the Easter items that they still have in the store. And definitely check out your TJMaxx to see what type of clearance items they have for their Easter products. And also, stick around till the very end. I am going to show you what I ended up doing with my front entryway. And spoiler alert, the 3 baskets that I purchased were actually damaged. So I ended up bringing them back to TJMaxx and bought something else, and I am loving it. So hang tight and I'll show you what I ended up doing to the front entryway. All right, so I am super excited for that little basket, like wicker basket type hanging thing. I'm thrilled. I think it's gonna be perfect in that little corner. I'm thinking I may still have like a hanging pegs, mostly for the dog's leashes. I don't even believe I'm saying that. I think I'm just not. Now that I say it out loud, I don't. So I do want a mirror or some kind of picture frame to go along with it and be done with that little corner and just make it look a little fresher and prettier instead of walking into a bunch of shoes all over the floor, which drives me nuts. But anyway, I am super thirsty. I'm going to stop by and get something to eat and drink and then run a few errands. Just come with me. But like I said, or maybe I haven't said, I've been a little under the weather, so I haven't had a chance to put it together. But we can talk about that later. But anyway, let's go ahead and get something to drink, eat, and be on our way. I ended up meeting my daughter at Pho Cafe Hong Kong Diner. This place is open till 3 in the morning and their food is amazing. So we ended up sharing some sushi and some soup and we were on our way. It was absolutely wonderful. Okay, so here it is. I ended up exchanging those 3 baskets for these 2 round ones. And then I actually picked these up at the Dollar Tree. So all these beautiful little vines, I just intertwined them in between the woven basket and I love it. And here is my little corner. I actually found this gorgeous basket at a thrift store. And these are all from Michael's. They're actually, I'm gonna be switching out these pink ones with something yellow, so it's very springy. That has more of a Valentine's Day feel, but this is what I ended up doing, and I love it. It's perfect, and I'm really grateful that this is better than having a bunch of tennis shoes hanging around and an umbrella. So here it is. And for those of you who have been following along with my living room update, this is where we're at so far. We finally got the new sofa, which I'm thrilled with. So with that said, I ended up getting rid of the end tables and the lamp, but I am going to end up adding a pub table with 2 chairs. And then over here, I just kind of set these up to have an idea what they would look like. I am going to end up putting a coffee bar. So I'm really excited with the way it looks. I am almost done, or at least for as much as I'm going to do with it. And I'll give you an update once I do more. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this video. I'm actually going to include some beautiful video clips right before our last winter storm at Lake Tahoe. So if you're ever in the Reno area, try to make sure to get out to the Lake Tahoe area. It is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, you guys have an absolutely wonderful day or evening, depending on when you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, you guys, we'll see you in the next video.